Let's now move on, and we have some big breaking news coming in at this point in time, and this is about most wanted terrorist for India, Harpreet Singh or Happy Passia, most wanted terrorist involved in more than 14 recent grenade attacks in Punjab, has been arrested in the United States of America. According to a statement posted by FBI, Harpreet Singh is accused of being involved in terror attacks in Punjab and is allegedly affiliated with two international terrorist organizations. Authorities said he entered the United States illegally and used burner phones to avoid detection. Listen into this reaction.
A major milestone in the success of war against terror with the announcement of detention of Happy Passia by the United States authorities. एक लंबे ऑपरेशन तो बाद जिस दे विच स्टेट ऑफ पंजाब, सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज एंड द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स authorities cooperated with each other and exchanged information that this person wanted for numerous terrorist crimes in India has been detained in the United States. इसने अपना जड़ा क्रिमिनल कैरियर है.
Let me now go across to my colleague Pavit joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pavit, it is indeed a big development. Harpreet Singh was a most wanted terrorist for India, involved in about 14 recent grenade attacks in Punjab, has finally been arrested in the United States.
Yes, exactly. Harpreet Singh, the most wanted gangster, has been arrested by the US, by FBI in the US. And Singh had let me tell you that Singh had a rupees 5 lakh bounty by NIA for terror links. He was allegedly the one who planned the Amritsar blast, issued more threats, and now he has been arrested in the United States and is now in the custody of FBI. So this arrest marks a very significant breakthrough for Indian security agencies who had been tracking him for his role in multiple terror-related incidents in Punjab. So this, the top intelligence source has told that he could be, that Harpreet Singh alias Happy could be brought back to India soon along with the NIA. The Punjab police has also started the engagement with the paperwork. Punjab police has already sent an extradition letter to bring Harpreet alias Happy back to India. And this is a very major development that is coming and a very major breakthrough because Happy Passia was related to many terror activities which were taking place in Punjab recently, and the first image of him in the custody has now surfaced following his arrest by the FBI and the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement and Removal of Operations. So the FBI has also released an official statement confirming his arrest. They have also said that Harpreet Singh, Happy Passia, the alleged terrorist responsible for the terrorist attacks in Punjab, India, has been arrested by the FBI, and even he had been linked to many more terrorist groups. He entered U.S. illegally and used burner photos to avoid capture. So
All right, Pavit, appreciate you joining us with your inputs on the story. We'll come back to you for more on this.